You will find it very difficult on how to make money online. On this video, I will show you how to make money online and the platform that I've made money from. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. So the platform I've made money from is Gmail Farmer. This Gmail Farmer is a Telegram bot, and this is one of the platforms that has paid me very well. So without wasting much time, let me explain things that you need to know on this particular Gmail Farmer. So all you need to do in this Gmail Farmer is just to create a Gmail account, a Google account for them. Create a Google account and you get paid. Per Google account, I think it's about 0.14 cents. It should be more than that by now. But I don't know how much they are giving. Now let me just check it out. So all you need to do is that they will give you details to create a Google account. So you use those details to create a Google account. Once you create it and submit it to them, you get paid. So if you want to create a new Google account for them, you just tap on register a new. The link will be in the description of this video and in the comment section. So you can see that they have given us the details. They have given us the details on the things that you are going to use to create the account. So they are paying $0.07 for this particular for you to create an account. So you can see they will give you the first name, the last name, the email, and everything. Even the year of birth. So with this specific data, you can be able to create an account. Once you are done creating the account, you submit it to them and you get paid. But because of some YouTube restriction, I will be blurring some part of this video, both the first name and all of them. When you tap on the link in the description, it will take you to your Telegram. Make sure you have a Telegram installed in your phone. That is the first tutorial. Once you have a Telegram installed in your phone, tap on the link. It will bring you to this interface and you will get started and start using it. But mind you, this is for educational purpose and not a get rich scheme. You can still do your own research. So all the thing, another way for you to withdraw, they pay through USDT. So if you want to withdraw, tap on my balance, tap on balance here, and then you see the amount that you have on your balance. So if you want to withdraw the amount, you just tap on payout and then select the network that you want. You can choose CryptoBot, Tether, USD, BP20, Tron, and all of that. Their payment method are very easy. So it's something that everybody can really do. If you found any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.